today we are going to kick off this salon work series with me doing Senegalese twist and a little bit of a tutorial in there. So let's just go ahead and jump straight into this video. Now, when I shampoo anyone's hair, if it's my own or for my client's hair, I will go in and use a cleansing shampoo, a moisturizing shampoo, and then I will use some type of moisturizing conditioner or deep conditioner treatment depending on the client and what they need. And I will give you guys more information on the shampoo and the conditioner as well as the scalp massager brush I will use after this little quick ASMR message. Listen, getting your hair shampooed by me is a whole experience, as my sister would say. Like, it is, like, my clients are in love with this scalp massager brush. Not only does the soft bristles provide relaxation, but it gives a deep exfoliation that increases blood flow to your hair roots, which promotes stronger and healthier hair. Okay, so let's get back into the shampoo. Now, with this shampoo, it is a gentle cleansing shampoo. Okay, it's nothing too hard on your hair. It doesn't dry out your hair like other clarifying or cleansing shampoos. It, like I said, it gently cleanses your hair, so you will feel cleansed but not dry, if that makes sense. All right, you will have like that clicky, that squeaky clean feeling, but it's not a drying feeling, if that makes sense. If not, just go ahead and purchase it and then you'll know what I'm talking about. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Ain't that what they be saying? I don't know, but just make sure you go ahead and you sanitize your station when you're done. All right, so now it's time to blow dry. My old blow dry, I think it was like a Silverbird, possibly. Yeah, it's been through, so pray its strength in the Lord. So I just got like that purple, I think it's Kiss or something like that. I don't know, y'all. I just grabbed it from the hair store because I was rushing to work one day and I'm like, oh my gosh, I need a new blow dryer. So I just grabbed that and I said, we just pray that it works. But it's been good to me so far. I'm not leaving my Silverbird, but I mean, that one is a good backup. So products I use when I blow dry for a silk press. Oh, I'm not silk pressing this girl here. What am I doing? Protective style. Forgive me, y'all. When I do like a protective style, I use the MIZANI leave-in conditioner. It is lightweight, and then I use the MIZANI heat protectant. I really don't use the Design Essentials or the Beyond the Zone, only if I'm doing like a silk press, but I think and right here, I'm just showing you how clean her hair is from the cleansing shampoo. All right, let me give you guys a quick braid tip, okay? When you are braiding or doing like Senegalese twists, or even if it's just like plaits or like mini twists, whatever, well, maybe not mini twists, but any type of like extension, I found it to be easier if you oh my gosh, y'all, I'm sorry, but my sister has like the most beautiful, thickest hair. I love my sister's hair. But anyways, when you are doing a style like this, I found it to be easier and a little quicker for you to pre-part the hair. Okay, it takes maybe all of it, what, like 5 minutes, versus when you're trying to go through as like you're braiding or whatever style you're doing. It, to me, I found it does take like a little longer than normal. But when it's like this, you can just take down, you can part and go, and then so you know for a fact all your spacings, your squares, all of that will be even. All right, so this is what we are looking like, about maybe almost, I ain't gonna say halfway done. So originally the picture that my sister sent me, she wanted mediums, okay? Now I do know my sister's hair, she has very like thick hair, as you can see. So I started off with the two strands, with, I'm sorry, not strands, so pieces. So hair like this typically come in pieces. And this hair is a little fluffy, but when you do Senegalese twist though, the hair does appear to seem smaller because you're twisting a little tighter. So since you are twisting a little tighter, so I did the two pieces, and she said, "Oh yeah, like that's fine." So that's why they are this size. And yeah, I get like about halfway through, she's like, "Marissa, you do know these are considered small, right?" I'm like, "Dude," like, okay, so we're just gonna say these are small Senegalese twists. If, of course, if you want them to be bigger, you can add more pieces. If you want it to be smaller, you will either use one piece or you will use half of that piece, but that is like micro, just about Senegalese twist. So when you are doing this style, what you want to do is you want to make sure like your pieces are either staggered, or I'll say staggered like that. So that way it will be easier for you to give them like a feather in. I was trying to do a tutorial for y'all, but my shirt got in the way, my big old arm got in the way, my elbow was in the way, and my camera was not focusing. And so I'm like, this is so whack, but I want to keep it anyways because it will like occasionally come in right, and then it will like be blurred again. So this just kind of gives you like an idea as to, oh, those are so beautiful. Okay, girl, you know what you're doing. Okay. Yeah, so you guys have an idea as to how I'm doing this style. And if you are doing locks on somebody and they ask you for a rope twist, it is the exact same concept for rope twist. You want to twist right over left, and I'm twisting clockwise. I'm twisting clockwise for both pieces, and I am going right over left. And I don't know if you can really see, but I'm doing like a twist within a twist. If you guys remember when I did Elijah's hair, I'm in that video, I will have that posted. Then when I say it's like a twist within a twist, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, we kind of had a small wardrobe change because we kind of ran out of hair, and she kind of had to pick up her daughter from school. And yeah, so that's why we have on different shirts from the other day. But my sister actually made the shirts. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, I can have like her information as to how you can order her shirts. All right, and we are done. Here is the final results. Thank you guys so much for watching my first episode in my salon work series. I hope you all enjoyed it and you learned something new. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video.